No problem.
What problem? Oh my God. Yeah, this railway station. Oh, no, see.
Oh my God, look.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's like London Eye.
Yeah.
Mate, don't move. I don't want the rocking river, little river.
Yeah.
I don't want to move.
Very quick going.
Yeah, good.
No, another one. Another one.
Awful this picture. I won't get up to trees. No, okay, this awful picture for me. I don't want to look at it.
Look and see.
Yeah. It's like London Eye when we remember.
Yeah.
It's not good for me, this.
Yeah, I don't know. I asked you last time, do you want? You said, yeah, I never been, I
What,
want.
London Eye?
No, in this place. You
This
said,
place?
oh, I never been. Yeah. I asked you really want? You said, yes, I never been.
I'm not good for this, really. I'm very afraid. Yeah, now stopping, yeah.
Why stop?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Maybe they so you can see view. They stop when we're looking, they stop, then start again.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, now there's the same stop. Stupid, why they stop? Oh.
There's one coming down on that side.
Ah, maybe need
Make for this.
yeah.
Like this come down.
Yeah, it will go in, must be. Or not.
Yeah? No, go
Yeah.
Oh, fuck's sake. What did it stop for? I'm never going to do this again in another country.
They have little castle on top. Like
on a cave. Look. Going to cave, see?
Yeah. Oh, another one.
This not so bad like this.
Ah, maybe stop because people go inside.
Oh my God, look down there, look, sir.
Yeah.
Castle Tower up there. Oh yeah, that's better.
I think you can walk down, look, if you don't want.
You think?
Yeah, maybe you go to walk. Yes, scary.
You're afraid?
Yes, for me, when wind and boo boo boo, scary.
Oh, can I ask?